Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your mornings are always a rush and you need quick and delicious breakfast ideas, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing 5-minute breakfast recipes that are perfect for busy mornings. So let's jump right into it. First up, we've got a classic avocado toast with egg. Toast a slice of your favorite bread while you mash up half an avocado with a pinch of salt and pepper. Once the bread is toasted, spread the avocado on top. Now, for the finishing touch, add a quick fried or poached egg on top. If you're really in a rush, you can even scramble the egg. This one's nutritious, filling, and ready in no time. Next, we've got a peanut butter banana smoothie. This one's a game changer when you need something quick and filling. Grab a banana, add a tablespoon of peanut butter, a cup of almond milk, or any milk you like, and a little drizzle of honey if you like it sweet. Blend it all together for about 30 seconds, and you've got a delicious smoothie that's packed with protein and perfect for an on-the-go breakfast. For a quick and healthy breakfast that looks as good as it tastes, make a Greek yogurt parfait. Grab a mason jar or a cup and layer Greek yogurt, granola, and fresh berries. You can add a drizzle of honey or a sprinkle of chia seeds on top for an extra crunch. It's simple, delicious, and keeps you full until lunch. Craving an omelet but short on time? Try a microwave mug omelet. Crack 2 eggs into a microwave-safe mug, add a pinch of salt and pepper, and mix it up. Throw it in the microwave for 1 to 2 minutes, then top it with your favorite ingredients like cheese, spinach, or even leftover veggies. In less than 2 minutes, you've got a fluffy omelet ready to eat. If you prefer to prep ahead of time, overnight chia pudding is perfect. The night before, mix 3 tablespoons of chia seeds with 1 cup of milk, or your favorite dairy-free option, and a splash of vanilla extract. Stir it up and refrigerate overnight. In the morning, just grab it out of the fridge and top with your favorite fruits, nuts, or granola. It's a grab-and-go breakfast that's packed with fiber and omega-3s. Another great option for a warm breakfast is quick oatmeal with toppings. You can make instant oatmeal in just a few minutes. Add a splash of milk for creaminess and top with whatever you like. Banana slices, berries, peanut butter, or even a handful of nuts for extra crunch. It's comforting, healthy, and filling. And for something a little more luxurious, try a toasted English muffin with cream cheese and smoked salmon. Toast half of an English muffin, spread a generous layer of cream cheese, and top with smoked salmon. Add a little lemon juice or some fresh herbs if you like, and you've got a savory, satisfying breakfast in just minutes.